Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Reese's Oreo cups. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Usually, when I make my version of a commercial candy, I'm behind the curve. The treat's been out for years or even decades. Not tonight, though. Tonight, we're making a treat that you can't even order yet, let alone purchase, at least at the time of this video's release. Yes, I'm talking about Reese's Oreo cups. Long story short, Hershey and Mondelez, the companies behind Reese's and Oreo, are doing a collaboration. They decided to make a special Oreo cookie and a special Reese's peanut butter cup. But here's the deal, you can't get them until September. You can't even do a pre-order until mid-August. A pre-order for cookies and candy. It's a whole new world, Jasmine. So tonight, right here in the candy kitchen, we're going to scoop the big boys. Full transparency, I haven't tasted the commercial ones yet. Nobody has. I'm working off pictures and intuition, but I've got a filling idea that I think is going to be perfection. Let's find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Reese's Oreo cups, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 Oreo cookies, and some white and milk chocolate melting wafers. I also used a bowl, a silicone mold, a couple of scoops, and a cutting board. Okay, let's make some candy. Carefully twist each Oreo to separate the halves. Remove and save the cream filling. Chop the cookies and set them aside, keeping the crumbs. In a medium bowl, combine the peanut butter, powdered sugar, salt, corn syrup, and Oreo cream filling. Mix until it's fully combined. Mix in the cookie crumbs and set the filling aside. Melt the milk chocolate wafers according to package directions, then add a thin layer of chocolate to each mold cavity. Put the mold in the refrigerator for a few minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Scoop some filling, form it into a small disc, and place it on a cutting board. For me, 1 teaspoon was the right amount. Add a a little more melted chocolate to a mold cavity and gently press a filling disc into the cavity, ensuring that the top of the disc is below the top of the mold. The melted chocolate should rise up so the disc is halfway embedded. It may take a couple of tries to determine how much chocolate to add, as it'll depend on the size of your mold. For me, it was about 3/4 of a teaspoon. This isn't a huge deal, I just want mine to look similar to the commercial version. Repeat with the remaining discs. Return the mold to the refrigerator for a few minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Melt the white chocolate wafers according to package directions. Spoon the white chocolate into each cavity, filling to the top. Here's where I went rogue. The commercial version looks great, but I wanted to crank up the wow factor, so I crushed a third cookie and used the crumbs as a topping. I think it looks far more attractive, and I imagine it'll increase the crunch factor as well. Return the mold to the refrigerator one more time to allow the white chocolate to fully set, then carefully remove the candy from the mold. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. I'm going with the classic one. I mean, soon to be classic one. Okay, none of this is new. We know what peanut butter cups and Oreos taste like, but the combination definitely has that whole is greater than the sum of the parts thing going for it. The cream filling from the cookies adds kind of a mellow quality to the peanut butter filling that's really enjoyable, and the crunchy counterpoint to the creaminess is absolutely delightful. Since none of us have tasted the commercial version yet, I can't compare, but great googly moogly, if theirs is even half as good as these, it's going to be a game changer. If you're looking to slake your peanut butter cup and Oreo cravings, you really ought to try these. If you're looking to Nope.